Hi, I'm Mary Yaksh. You will learn how to customize your WordPress installation. In order to reach the dashboard of your WordPress blog, type in as follows. So what you need to do here is to insert your blog's URL in the red part above. I've just used my own blog's name, but you need to put yours, whatever it is, you need to put it in there. But in order to get to the dashboard, you always need to put in at the end WP. When you do a WordPress installation, you will have got an email that tells you exactly what your username and password is that you have to put in order to get there. And in fact, as you remember in the video before, I asked you to make a note of that. So now you need to log in with your username and your password. Log in. And this should bring you directly to your dashboard, which is where you can control all the aspects of your blog. So let's take a look at how to tweak your blog. So the first thing I suggest you do is to set up another user. That's really important because you want to have exactly, your name you can remember so that you can find the entry into your blog. So I'm going to click on Add New Account. Okay, password twice. You want to have this password sent to the new user, which is you. And this is really important. You need to change this to administrator. You've got another way to log into this account. I like that because it's just a kind of safety issue for me. User, that's done. Go to settings. Just follow along with me. Don't worry about anything. This is really easy. You can do it anytime on your own. This is what you pay $300 for. Okay, and you're doing it all by yourself. So you can pat yourself on the back in a moment once you've done it. Anything? This is blog out of the box, and it looks pretty good already, doesn't it? You want to just change a few things. I'll go back into the general settings. In the general settings, you'll see the site title, Popular Woodworking Plan. Check that it's exactly what you want to say. You can change that at any time. And the tagline, that's something you need to give some thought to. But as I say, it's something you can change, and you will change that over time because it's something that's really important to think about. Then save changes, that's very important. I just want to show you how the tagline comes up. So we're going to go to our site. I'm just going to refresh that. Source of woodworking plan. So it has come up as the tagline. Right, so let's go back. What I want to have a look at now and show you is permalink. A little bit technical, but just follow along and do exactly what I say and you'll be fine. This is really important. It's something that will some problems if you don't do that right from the start. What I suggest is click on custom structure. What you want to do is /% post name, after that % again and a /. Now what that means is that quite simply each post that comes out will have your URL, like for example in this case would be popularwoodworkingplan.com, and after that will be the post name, for example how to create a wonderful woodworking object. So that's very important. Just click on change or save changes. Ding. Default position here is page displays your latest post. Normally how a blog runs, you know that you have the newest thing you publish first. Also, if you have a kind of business blog or something like that, you can have a static front page. A front page that always shows the same thing, and then the blog can run on another page. But what I suggest is just leave it like that. Just leave it exactly as it is in the default position. Okay, next thing, discussion. Leave it exactly as it is. Just delete this click. You don't want to make it difficult for people to actually leave everything else as is and click on Save Changes. Done. If you want to change the theme, you will have to do some more work on this blog. But as it is now, it's already working. So let's just refresh this. Already an attractive blog. It has its name, it has the tagline, and you can start writing in it. In the next video, I'll show you how to change the theme, but basically you're ready to go. And so you can now look at other videos that show you exactly how to write a post, and you're up and running with your blog. Well done! Saved yourself at least $300. All yourself. You deserve a big pat on the back.